So it's actually your length. This is just taking its time to
grow.
Yep. To meet up. So you did like the fade for a long time.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Very long time. For years, I always had the fade.
What made you decide to start growing your hair out?
School, and I was just couldn't get a haircut every week, so I just started growing. Yeah, I couldn't afford getting haircuts every 2 weeks, so I said, grow and see how it goes. And then I decided to go on like a little journey. I said, let me see how long I can get it, if I can grow it healthy.
So let me remember. Yeah. So how long has it been now?
We're in May.
Yeah.
8 months, maybe 6, 7 months.
So you started late last year.
Yeah.
You'll be far from me.
Come up this way.
Yes, thank you.